ningarong lo pini nomination file bang tangat lo non neli Samual Rongpi IPP party pen Indigenous People's Party lage election pulutang te isi very crucial bang gelalo isi ake nang sot kachini nai kelalo ili tum asongja po ake me declaim tek kedam tek lapen aprang rada phan kipon tek rada kimang kapichun tek aphansi kaduk aweta banglo lapen nelitum neli jung neli labang so election long kachipate dun ala ke isia kimang ke lahan lo non nang litum kaduk awe rada tum chini lo Karbiang long autonomous council long issues do pick. And one of the main issues is loss of land, ancestral land. Loss of ancestral land, Polotangte, now we have lost 54,500 bighas. And to be frankly saying that on the 25th of June 2025, okay, the council, Autonomous Council, Karbiang Long Autonomous Council has made a sign, they'll deal with Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited pen atum chiri suri truck adil cipiat lo adake Reliance Industries Limited pen lapen second sentence ladake to okay further it will be increased into 1 lakh acres pulutang te 1 lakh acres pulutang te 3,500,000 bighas 3,500,000 bighas pulutang te 3,05,000 bighas pulutang te natung ku ano jo lapen non ilitum rada kemang gopila rada kemang pulutang te article 244A lagi hemprek de hemprek aparman non present government ningjepig lo along ningjepig lo nili social media long da pipig lo in written da pipig lo tangte non ko pipot si lahai chunchedet ajoke representatives that representing the people's voice munit atum alam haladak assembly long kaningji dun tekchedet apot si non puta ke mangason e chunchedet ko pipot ke thekavidet ma kaphere tong ke dokok ma what is the factor that hinders all these present MLAs and the past MLAs and MPs, okay, to take a step further ahead, okay, in the development of the bringing or the success and the fulfillment of the demands of the people, that is hemprek. Non pudam lupatang te 46,000 bighas, 18,000 bighas Lahorijan, okay. Epi DCL tumhan pidat lo na nilitum wang lo nilitum claim lo dam lo UNO nang palipi lo NCST case sedan lo angke EPDCL Philippines Manila headquarter pen palo ladak survey nang kuri lo deal withdraw that lo second umrongso 9,000 bighas nilimen pen masyadak ne case pilo alata stop lo now 6,000 bighas Bokolia okay hadak ito bangke 13.5 right 13.5 kali arlo ke 6,000 bighas lata nilitum non khangchek lo lasi isipen nilitum IPP tum klembom lo lapen in the near future la son tak Karbiang long along le anso se kirai kom dia pan anso se kupulo kapijok ya pan si nilitum kam klempo lapen election na hotke enjoyment upon kali it's not the time to enjoy, okay. A candidate may offer you 500 rupees, 300 rupees. Is that the worth of your vote? Nangli tuma dor lan velama, paro tom velama, paro po velama, suri si velama, suri po velama nangli tuma dor. La nangli tum suri si paro ni paro tom pen to vote si jorpo anke nangli tum next 5 years you will have to cry. So Jo, the latest VGR. Kupi pa si claim pleden lo. Do piglo that issues. So one by one, we need to deal with, we need to solve it. And to solve, we need good leaders. Smart, courageous, a leader with farsightedness. Pinipen mo ningkan paro ko pila la dagalong le la so apir te la bang so long rika cheplang po. Hala so You know, la so future upon lang si non pen kam kami. We are the present and we are the future. And if the future has to be secured, the present has to be settled. Present ke klem pe minangi lahan lo. Donatum nili ke nanglitum panang chineri lo. Tangka mahapen ke nanglitum ke 500 or 400 or 200 or 1000 le nanglitum ador kali. Nanglitum ador ke nangli su atumapan mo kai paroko mo kai suryanta labang swalong ri karbiang long. Okay? Karbiang long karbi laso amen mo ke doji apan. Kali liputang te we will be lost like the Red Indians in America. What happens to the Red Indians in America? Wrong asara long si government tumdam lo. Long lin ang pichom tapu, la penon na piget not lo. Red Indians are nowhere. So today, if we give our land to corporate sectors and private individuals like Adani, Ambani, APDCL, okay, NILCL, lahat tuman pila pulatang te, where will the next generation go? Second, unemployment. Thousands of youths get educated, graduated every year. Where are these youths going? Kunalo la to youths kada. Metropolitan cities dampo, hadak chongda dampo. Well-trained individuals atumke, they can be placed anywhere. They have the opportunities. Okay? They have the opportunities, great opportunities. They have a good life. But what about those, graduates, the youths? They are driving auto rickshaws. It's not bad. I'm not telling that it's not bad to drive auto rickshaws and earn. But where is the generation of, employment? Okay? When the present government, Team Karbiang Long, okay, was, enthroned as, the chief executive member, Pilogipuke, Team Karbiang Long shall work for the all-round development of this backward region. Recently, Surjorong Parkopilo media long gipu. Karbiang Long, okay, because of Team Karbiang Long, because of BJP government, Karbiang Long, the most backward region, has turned into the most developed region. Konamla development. Its development is not the flyover. Okay, development is not just making the flyover and roads within the town. You go outskirts, wrong the hong namta, hadak lang namta. Kopilo education, quality education, konadlo. Okay, in the beginning, okay, the education EM Richard, I don't know he remembers or not. I'm asking you, kunalo quality education gado? Where is the quality education? Where are we in this post-modern age? Now it is AI age. What are we doing? Where are we? Are we stepping back or are we going ahead? We have to reason out. Leader is not just a representative. We are receiving the bigger responsibility. And the responsibility is to respond to the needs of the community, the voters. And the voters have every right to demand. And I'm straightforward appealing to the voters that you don't sell yourself. Your word, you are worth. You're worth more than 500. You're worth more than 1,000. You are worth more than whatever amount the candidates offer.
And sir, out of 5 MLA constituency, IPP pen long kaan lo.
Non na matke long ni. Bokajan nililo lepen difu bangke Rajan Timung. Thank you so much.